Welcome. If you want to transfer data from your Huawei P30 Lite to another Android device, in our case this is Huawei P30 Pro, so the first thing is just to download the application that you are going to use. So let's go to the Google Play Store and click on the clone it. Click on install, and it will be one of the applications that we are going to use. But also, as you can see, we are currently using the two Huawei smartphones, so we can go for the phone clone application, because this is the application from the Huawei and it is just installed on the very Huawei smartphone. So let's go for phone clone on both smartphones. Click on agree, click on allow. Right now I'm gonna open it on the Huawei P30 Pro. Okay, and right now we're transferring data from P30 Lite to P30 Pro. So click, this is the old phone on the smartphone, and as you can see we have to give access to location. So click on the settings, access my location, old phone again, click allow 7 times. Okay, and right now click new phone on your Android smartphone. On the company is Huawei, so right now we can just scan QR code. Okay, now our smartphones are connecting. And as you can see, we can select what we want to send from the smartphone. The second, so maybe we can go for the application, and I will go for the maybe for the Opera Mini. So click on OK, tap on the transfer. Now we have to enter our lock screen password, so mine is 1, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 9. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished. Click on the ignore, and right now we can just open the Opera on the second smartphone. So this is how you send data. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comment and subscribe to our channel.